Most people think eggs, chicken, and milk are the only protein sources that matter. That's wrong. In the next few minutes, I'll show you high-protein foods most adults completely overlook, and how adding them can make a huge difference to your health, energy, and muscle repair. Have you ever tracked your protein intake and still felt low on energy? Or noticed you're not building muscle despite eating enough? Most people focus only on the usual sources and completely miss other everyday foods that can boost protein. Here's the truth. Protein isn't just about meat and dairy. Many adults ignore plant proteins and less obvious sources. Common myths include, if it's not meat, it won't help you. That's wrong. Protein powders are the only way to hit your targets. Partially true, but whole foods cover most needs. Let's break it down into the top protein sources you're probably overlooking. First, legumes and lentils. Lentils, chickpeas, and beans provide 7 to 9 grams per half cup. They are cheap, easy to cook, and very filling, making them ideal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Next, nuts and seeds. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, chia, and flax not only provide protein but also healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients. Adding a small handful to your yogurt or smoothie can give you a protein boost without extra calories. Then, quinoa and whole grains. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it has all essential amino acids. Combine it with rice or oats, or pair grains with legumes to maximize your protein intake. Even simple breakfast oats with chia seeds can add 8 to 10 grams of protein. Another overlooked category is dairy alternatives and tofu. Tofu, tempeh, and Greek yogurt are packed with protein, especially for vegetarians or those avoiding meat. A small serving of tofu stir-fry or Greek yogurt with seeds can give you 10–15 grams easily. Finally, don't forget the basics: eggs, chicken, and fish. While they are widely known, focusing on variety ensures you never fall short. Mixing these with plant-based sources helps maintain consistent protein intake across meals. Here's how a simple day of overlooked protein could look. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Mid-morning: a handful of almonds. Lunch: quinoa salad with chickpeas. Snack: pumpkin seeds. Dinner: tofu stir-fry. These small additions can boost your daily protein by 20 to 30 grams without relying on meat every meal. Stop relying only on meat and eggs. Focus on variety and consistency. Legumes, nuts, tofu, and whole grains can make a huge difference for health, energy, and muscle repair. Add these overlooked protein sources into your daily meals, and hitting your protein targets becomes effortless.